Afternoon, Alex.
Good afternoon.
Okay, just a quick intro, and we're going to get on with this video, which is the benefits of having a Spanish will. For those that have inheritance in Spain or have family with property or any kind of investment in Spain. Okay, Alex, just everyone knows of you. We've got a few of your videos now posted on your YouTube channel, which is legalservicesinspain.com. And the logo behind me is yourspanishwill.com, which comes underneath your main banner. So let's find out more about these benefits.
Okay, so today I'm going to talk about the benefits of having a Spanish will. If you have assets in Spain, whether it be a bank account, property, shares, or even a car, it is strongly advisable to have a Spanish will. Why would we recommend a Spanish will? Well, you can choose who you leave your Spanish assets to. You can mitigate Spanish inheritance tax. And if you're a citizen of the European Union, you can choose the law of your country to apply to the distribution of the Spanish estate. This is important as under Spanish law, 2/3 of assets go to the children and only 1/3 can be freely disposed of. But for example, an English person could choose to leave all of their assets in Spain in their Spanish will to their spouse, as this is permitted under English law. Upon death, it is cheaper and quicker for your heirs to manage the Spanish estate with a Spanish will. Not having a Spanish will can lead to delays in accessing monies in a bank account of the deceased or selling a Spanish property. And also, the administrative costs of handling the Spanish estate increase without having a Spanish will. If you have assets in other jurisdictions, it is important that your Spanish will works with the other wills you may have, and be very careful not to revoke them when they are updated. Signing a Spanish will is a straightforward exercise. You consider who you wish to leave your assets to in Spain. Let us have those instructions, and then we will prepare a draft Spanish will for you. If you have a look at our website, www.yourspanishwill.com, there's lots of information and FAQs on there. You can complete our online application form, complete payment, and we will prepare a Spanish draft will for you in English and Spanish. And once you've approved it, we can arrange for you to sign it before a notary, either in Spain or in your home country. Mm-hmm. If it's signed in your home country, then we also have to arrange for it to be signed before a notary, and it's apostilled and then couriered to us, and then we would register it here. If you sign it before a Spanish notary, then we can arrange that wherever you may be in Spain, and the Spanish notary will let you have a copy of the will, the first copy of the will, and he or she will hold on to the original, and they'll update the Central Wills Registry in Madrid, informing them that you've signed a Spanish will on that day. So there'll always be a record of where you signed that Spanish will and when. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. For a private discussion about your Spanish will, please contact us by email or pick up phone and call us. We'll be happy to discuss your Spanish will requirements with you.
Okay. That all sounds very straightforward, but obviously right now, Alex, and I know you're doing a lot of work all over the country, all over Spain, and for clients in the UK that currently are in Spain. Obviously, with the COVID restrictions, can this be done digitally? Can you deal with this all digitally now?
Yeah, absolutely. So what we can do at the moment is clients can complete the application form online. We will prepare the draft will, approve it, and then they can sign it either in Spain or in their home country. So yes, the draft will is sent to them by email. They confirm it's happy, and then it can be signed. And there are notaries are still working at the moment, so Spanish wills can be signed, and documents are still being signed. And some notaries are not so much in Spain, but some notaries abroad are working remotely, so the wills can be signed. Yeah.
Okay, so if someone's in the UK and they have to then, first of all, make the application here, go through the process with yourself, and then it's got to be signed and stamped by a notary in the UK. Do you arrange that, or does the client have to go and arrange that?
in effect, Marco, we send the draft will in English and Spanish to the clients. They approve it, and then we send them the signing instructions with contact details for notaries in their area. So we would then ask the client to book that appointment with the notary. But in effect, you can go onto the notary's website in the UK, put in your postcode, and then notaries will appear locally to wherever they are. So we ask them to arrange that appointment, and we send them signing instructions. And because in the UK, when you sign a will, it has to be signed in front of independent witnesses two independent witnesses over the age of 18. That's the same procedure for the signing of the Spanish will. So it's signed in front of the notary and two independent witnesses who will sign it, put down their professions and addresses. The notary will stamp it, arrange the apostille. That comes to us in Spain. We register it with the civil registry. So that basically the civil registry's got a record of fact that will was signed, and then we return the original to the client.
Yeah. Okay, great advice, Alex. And I think, that covers most of the points. Recommendations from legal abogado in Spain. Get a Spanish will and make sure your assets are covered and protect your family.